Can Bobby some mask? You can't run out of airtime. Good morning, everyone, brothers and sisters, wherever you are. This morning we are at Steve Biko Hospital, which is in Steve Biko is here in Pretoria. Yes, I'm joined by my staff, Mr. Nyati. You can see him, he's always smiling. Mr. Nyati, the last repatriation you did, where did you go, by the way?
Murewa.
You went to Murewa?
Yes.
No, not Murewa.
No,
Gundu. And today you are leaving for...
Murewa.
You are going for Murewa.
Yes.
Listo, come. Guys, this is the big boss. This is the manager. His name is Listo. He's the one who... What's your job title? What do you do, Listo? Nita Chiyo.
No coffee, no stress. I'm dealing with the transport again. So to repatriate our client nicely to Zimbabwe.
Yes. Yeah, Liston there, no Kadra is a mortician. He's the one who make sure that everything is sorted out. Yeah. So we are at Steve Biko Hospital in Pretoria. Our emphasis this morning is to encourage you people that it is very important for you to join the policies. We cannot take chances. You can check here, we are actually at the mortuary at the moment. You can see it. That's why we are here, all of us with my staff. This is where we are now at the mortuary. We've got this vehicle for removal. There's a family that lost their fellow sister, auntie, yesterday. Vakatifonera vakati Mr. MUNETSI tina auntie vedu vakashaika. Tatisingasive kuti we didn't know kuti okay. Tina auntie vedu vakashaika nezuro. Takatosongoudzwa kunzi vakafa. There was no communication at all. And tokumburo kana mutikwanisa mutibatsirewo. That's why you see me that we are at the hospital. I'm with Mr. Ish. Ish. There's a bed sound. Yeah. Ish. Guys, my apology. There's a sound. Yeah, so my apology, Papa, in the sound yakanyanya. Saka zandunguda ngozama kukukudza ndezvekuti, as I'm mentioning to you, kuti takauya pano, we are here to do a body removal for one of hama dzakashakirwa nehama yavo, and the deceased is there inside mortuary room, and we'll be doing the removal now. The emphasis is not to bring fear on you. It's also to inform you about the reality, about my daily challenges that people they encounter each and every time. This is our job every day. Like you see Mr. Nyati now, we're gonna do the removal and we're gonna do another live during the day. He's going to live with the family going to Murewa now. So zvatinokudza izvinhu zvinoitika on daily basis kuti vanhu vari kufa and you need to have something. I'll just give you an example now. Kuti tombokudza nyaya yemacharges kuti yakamira sei. Now for us to repatriate a body from Johannesburg to Harare, we're gonna charge you 20,000 rand. That is for us if we give you a quantum. If we have to take a body from Cape Town to Zimbabwe, it has to cost the minimum of 30,000. The same as Durban, around 26,000, 27,000. Then if anything has to happen to you guys, pana ne 30,000 ere izvozvi ungoti nhasi ndanzwa MUNETSI kuti ndafirwa nemurume wangu ndiri muno muSouth Africa, pana ne 15,000 ere pana ne 20,000. So it is very important to take the message very seriously. As I keep on reminding you kuti pamuri kuona kuti you might not know kuti ramangwana renyu, you might be in a situation yekuti unenge wakutsvaga kuti Mr. MUNETSI, I need your assistance, ndafirwa ndaita so. Mune police here, hauna police. So the emphasis is very important to you guys. We are saying that the minimum premium per month. Okay, let me just address the issue of Nora Bunga. Nora, there's been an overwhelming response regarding the Great Hope funeral plan. As we have said before, that the Great Hope, the hope is to give to everyone. And it Saka, let me just share something, sorry. Is to share the hope is for everyone. And it Saka kune vanhu vamwe vanga vagarowa nemapolicies avo kune nzvimbo dzakasiyana siyana, vanga kuna naDabs, Nyaradzo and so on. So we said kuti isusu papolicy yedu hatisi kutaura kana even if you've got a policy somewhere, you can still join our Great Hope. Isusu yedu inogona kuita cash payout. Yes, that is the challenge that we are having, guys. We underestimated the product yedu. Saka the response yakawandisa. Share your group. Share your group. Yes. So the issue is that yes, people have been sending messages every time wadakunzwa information sisichipo. I'm very sorry about that, and we are actually working on a backlog that we hope is going to be cleared as soon as possible. So my numbers is RMOM system. If you've communicated with us, just be patient with us. The call center is going to be full functional as from this week, and we wanted to make sure that we put our backup, our calls are recorded, our systems are in a okay, and so on. The Saka Papa and a slow response regarding the premiums. All right, regarding the response from the call center. As I'm mentioning to you guys, Kuti, our job is to help people and also for us to work together. Life is unpredictable, guys. I can confirm with you, we are at a Steve Biko hospital now. Zaka experience a family at Rukutora Antiwao, it's not gonna critique somewhere. I'll tell you, but it's not only the removal that we are here to this morning with my staff. Tine mangwema removals during the day. We've got another removal in Pumalanga. We've got another removal in Durban. There's another removal also in Helen Joseph. Van matam vango fuma vachitifonera vachiti Mr. MUNETSI ndine problem ndakafirwa. These are the families that are in pain. And it saka zvakangokosha, and the statistics is even proven kuti vanhu vazhinji vanotifonera vafirwa vana mapolicies, guys. It's also the policy at Great Hope. We are saying kuti this is your policy ndeye munhu wese. And it andidi kunzwa munhu achitaura kuti vamunetsa inini ndichidi policy yenyu because ndakajoina Old Mutual. Isusu tikutaura kuti even though une policy yako yauinayo yakudhara iyoyo, hapana chakaipa kuti uitemwe second policy. Remember panamo pega, it's not only about taking the body from South Africa to Zimbabwe or for the person to be buried in Zimbabwe. There are so many expenses that are needed. It will be very wise if you say my police for Nyaradzo or my police for Moonlight, each and week, imimi a Great Hope, moita cash payout, at least in no mari, kune police snokona kubatsirana. I mentioned to you guys last time that namo chaiyo ayitange munhu kufa kwemunhu. Munhu avigwa, afushirwa, pepe pamunoti munhu afushirwa akuenda. Mumwe nemumwe akuenda kwake. MOREBOYS akutora bag rake, he's going back to South Africa. Tete is going back to UK. Vasukuru vari kuenda kumasvingo. Ndopa unenge wasara iwewe nevana vako makangogara mumba manje. ndo panotanga nhamo ipapo. So we are saying kuti at least if you've got another additional policy, this would definitely assist. And the panama expenses are not diwa, guys. Chikafu chinodiwa, mari dzevana chinodiwa, and etc. Again, I have to appreciate Maona Rumawandina again. This is Mr. Nyati, the man who has driven the entire Zimbabwe. In difficult times, I will remember the situation here, Mr. Nyati, whereby my body is still under my challenges. He takes the body from Cape Town, Maramba Pfungwa, somewhere there. We don't know how many kilometers it travels. Sometimes it's 2 nights on the road. Very vega, it's only the driver who does a body. Motikari can be stuck on the road. Mataya no ponja, trailer no gonna kuponja, but he still makes sure kuti body yaswika kuskwainenge ichida. So somehow there's a lot of sacrifices within these people that I work with. Kuti just imagine kuti mai venye vashaika zvonzi hamukwanisi kuenda kuZimbabwe and the body rikuendeswa nadriver uyo mumuzive, but inyaya yekuti munongova netrust yekuti body inoenda. So it is important kuti tiappreciate varume vanotishandira basa ravanoita, sacrifices. We don't, you know, our business, we are not rich people. It's more about a calling, serving people. Then this is Callisto again. Come on the camera. Callisto, mfana wangu huyu, mfana huyu. He does a perfect job, guys. Dianeta is our mortician. He's the one who prepares all the bodies. Imagine kuti body dzenyu dzamusingasemi wamwana mutombodi kusvika up. You don't want even to do body viewing. You get scared. But Listo is a trained, qualified mortician. He's the one who is to prepare this body. Look at his age.
I'm turning 31 this year.
I need 31. Listo is 31 years, guys. He does the job good from his heart. And COVID akaoya vamwe vakati mamwe tinongo akasurvive. Sometimes surviving, it's only the grace of God. But ndiye aidila futi nema-COVID cases paakauya achagadzira achita and so on. And we thank God kuti vakakwanisa kumusimudzira kuti haana kwanisa kurohwa neCOVID. So yeah, sharp list. Yeah. And we all do, you know, when we are working with these guys, it's all about sacrifice, all of us. Makatuna tichishanda, you never see kuti MUNETSI washina ndopi uyu, Listo ndopi, Mr. Nyati ndopi. Inini pachangu zvakatoipa izvo zvakumana vasingabatike. We come, I do all the work kuti zvifambe anditi. So this initiative yetinayo yokutora mapolisi ndeyekuti we are targeting everyone. We don't want a situation yokuti mwe munhu anoti handidi police. We've got parents vari kuZimbabwe. Chingofunga izvozvi, just receiving a phone call now, chingofungawo kuti ndori muSouth Africa ndiwe MUNETSI. You just receive a call early in the morning kuti MUNETSI mai vako vashaika kuZimbabwe. Unopatangira papi izvozvi? Guys, tiri kugara nema-time bomb chaiwo. We are staying nema-time bomb ekuti we have to be very careful, guys. Ma-time bomb hatina uchakangobvundoka izvozvi. Iwo pachako you can't save money, you don't even have money pachako. Ungodzwanzi kwaitika problem. Be in a situation like you're a single parent. Ndiwe baba, ndiwe maimba. Apana anokusupporta financially, you are a single mother. Unobatsirwa nani? Ndiwo wakashaika, vanhu vanoita sei. Tine mamwe situations. Listo. That body yane mwedzi mingani, one of the oldest bodies yatina yane nguva yakaita sei? 2 months.
Yeah, 1 month, 2 weeks.
1 month, 2 weeks. Ona, tine mamwe mabodies yari kutaura imwe ine 1 month, 2 weeks. Family yakangoti zizvozvi. We don't know what they are thinking, we don't know what they are talking. Maona. Kuti tizive kuti family iri kufunga sei, kuCape Town tine mamwe mabodies atogarisa and so on. Inyaya yemari, guys. We can't run away from that. I believe a normal family would not kugara achizwa kuti tine hamedi yakashaika panenge pasina kana cent anditi. So we encouraging you guys kuti great hope is the best solution for you. If you are in South Africa, tinema packages mangwari very affordable, guys. Tinema packages are very affordable. For example, that package yandaka kudzaye 99 rand. Inotora kuti murume nemukadzi nevana 6. Mese munogona kupinda pa one policy. Yo uri ku UK, une ma cousins ako ari ku South Africa, une vabereki vari ku Zimbabwe. You can still put them on the policy. Then at least you've got a peace of mind. Kana uda kubhadhara premium yako, unongogona kubhadhara premium yemwedzi wese, yegore rese, unogona kubhadhara premium ye6 months. We'll prepare a quotation for you. You can send the money through Mukuru, World Remiti, Western Union, and so on. Unodoba watoza kuti ukonda peta area yakati, and so on and it. So please take this message very seriously. To your WhatsApp group, if you're in a Kanamurima group family, we're going to put the new flyer, which you can share it among yourself as brothers, family members. Yeah. All right. So, should I read the messages? Mkoma MOREBOYS, good morning, and so on. Right. So, I just could kiss it, guys. I deal with these situations every day. In the past, my sort of you saw me when I chungo feel Mkoma MOREBOYS, Chibatireo. Sis Melly can tell you kuti taingoendesa zvitunaizvo mahara free akusisina. What we realized kuti we couldn't cope up with the number of vanhu vachona unosvika paoffice every day pane vanhu 5 or 6 mafamilies ari tichema achiti hatina kana senti, vana vatumwa ndozochema, mai vakashaika, baba vakashaika, tibatsirewo. Takazoona chega kuti aiwa pasisina, because at the end of the day there was no way that we could afford to send 10 bodies to Zimbabwe free of charge. So takazviita nguva iyoyo tichibatsirawo, but now tane solution. Zviri nani kuti unge uri member ako tomboti usati wakwanisa waiting period wouyawo uchiti ndibatsirewo. At that one I can consider. So yeah, this is how it's going to work. If you're in South Africa, you can pay through debit order. We give you the banking details with somebody account. It goes through debit order, or you can do a cash deposit into our account. You can pay it ShopRite, Checkers, Pick and Pay. You get a reference number that becomes your reference number every month, Mariako, and so on. So we are going to improve a lot. Remember, when you are starting a product, asingotangi nyore, pane zvinhu zvekuti unotanga uchidevelopa mbijana as the company grows. Sometimes it's not easy at all, and saka zvinhu zvachona tinoita tichikura toda kuita zvoti tinoda kukupai mabenefits ekuti tinokwanisa kuafforda. Remember, ndakakuudzai kuti one of the main benefits tine cashback bonus. Don't complain kuti ndane nguva ndichingobhadhara mari, ndanzwa nekubhadhara vanhu vari kuZimbabwe mari, saka chichazoitika. Mapolisi andinawo ese ndinongobhadhara. Isusu tiri kuti policy yedu yakanakira kupfuura dzimwe dzese kuti ine cashback bonus, which simply means kuti cashback bonus ndeyekuti after 3 years ausati wamboclaima, we are going to give you some of the premiums back. Anditi number 1, tomboti MOREBOYS ndiye atora police angani vana 4 or 5. MOREBOYS ndiye anga achishanda. Chichi chazoitika kune mudzimai wake nevana. We are saying that the policy becomes automatically paid up. So which means the main member ashaika ndiye anga achibhadharira vana. Policy inoramba iri active. So these are some of the benefits. Pane grocery allowance, pane ATM allowance, and etc. We're going to improve, guys. But so far, sichaitanaka. Guys, my deepest apology to everyone. Varikutaura kuti hatisi kuresponda, tiri kuresponda. We are in the business, we also want to make money. Remember, tingangoti vanhu vachisiya manamba tisingavafonere and so on. Hazvipe picture yakanaka nditi. Saka very soon you will see the response. Tinge tichitoita our life izvozvi. Tichitobva tatoti vada kutofonerwa izvozvi, siyai manumbers izvozvi. Kosenda inenge ichitokufonerai there and there, tichitoita life. Muchitobva matongoregister. Zvandongokuencourage ndezvekuti vese vakasiya manumbers enyu, please make sure kuti you've got your full names, mazita enyu akakwana, date of birth evana, date of birth evabereki, and so on, so that pachazoitika process yeregistration munge mune information yakakwana. Anditi. So please share this message about the great hope to your friends, to your brothers and sisters, to your church mates, your cousins. Discuss about these guys. Pamunenge makagara kumabasa kwenyu about my challenges ema Zimbabweans. Pamunenge family meetings, mune family groups. Bvunzanai pachenyu kuti iwe wakatora polisi here. Nyaya yekungoti pakaitika funeral zvongonzwa nesu kwamunetsi ngatite kanzatu haiite. We need to move away from that. Encourage vanhu kuti vave responsible, vazvitorere mapolicies anditi. All right, so I think we still at the mortuary. We want to do the body removal for the family. We're just waiting for the family to come. Once the family comes, then we take the body to the parlor. And so I don't want you to be in a situation like now, one day whereby you cry, you complain and say, sure, Mr. Munetsi, it's going to be too late, guys. Let me tell you something. And you only realize the importance of the policy. Saka policy ndemu wese. Ashinabaso tokamira say and so on. I also encourage one. I've been talking to another sister who is in Botswana. Botswana, someone that Zambia, Mozambique, and so on. We are working on a special package for you guys. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. As you see that we've got a family, we're gonna do another live for a service for today. Mr. Nyati is gonna leave for Murewa today. Sakacheta service later on during the day. Please just be patient with us. Share the message about the Great Hope Funeral Policy. Tudakuti munowese chero kwa ari aziyo kuti ku South Africa kwani product iyoyo. And thank you very much. I think the family has just arrived now. We have to get inside or sign my papers. Then we are going to take their deceased. Thank you very much.